Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to create shortcut website on desktop. Chapter 1. How to create shortcut website on desktop dragging site. For this process, open the website in a browser. When you do, simply drag the site from the corner to the desktop. There you will have this shortcut on your desktop. Chapter 2. How to create shortcut website on desktop from Shortcut. You're going to right-click somewhere on the desktop and click New and then select Shortcut. In the window that opens, copy the website address and paste it here. After this, click Next and assign the desired name. Click Finish and you will be able to see the shortcut created on your desktop. Chapter 3. How to create shortcut website on desktop from Chrome. The first thing is to open the Chrome browser. Then, click on the menu and in the Save and Share line, select the Create Shortcut option. In the small window, set the name, and when you click Create, you will have direct access to that site on your desktop. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.